aircraft in aviation history. Red 1 continues to come in from the left-hand side. The smoke comes on in the Concorde. On the left-hand side of that centre section is Red 3, Flight Andrew McKeon, known as Maka. Maka is also in the first team. He flew the AVAP, which is a Harrier, while on stage with the United States Marine Corps. Before then coming back to the UK and joining the world famous 617 Dambuster Squadron based at RAF Marl in Norfolk, where he flew the latest 5th generation Royal Air Force aircraft, the F-35B Lightning II. The aircraft start to move once again. Reds 2 and 3 move forward. The rear